Mastering English phrases, understanding, touch up. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to delve into a very interesting English phrase, touch up. Whether you are learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore what touch up really means. Touch up is a phrasal verb that can be used in different contexts. Generally, it refers to making small modifications or improvements to something that is already pretty good but might need a little bit of enhancement. Think of it like adding the final strokes to a painting or fixing a small chip in a beautiful vase. 2.1 in Art and Photography. In the realm of art and photography, touch up means to make slight alterations or improvements to a picture or painting. For instance, a photographer might touch up a photo to enhance the colors or remove any unwanted blemishes. 2.2 in Beauty and Makeup. In beauty and makeup, touching up refers to quick fixes or small enhancements to one's makeup or hairstyle. For example, someone might touch up their lipstick after a meal to keep it looking fresh. 2.3 in Construction and Maintenance. In the context of construction or home maintenance, touching up could mean fixing small areas of paint or repairing minor damage on a wall. Let's go through some sentences to see how touch up is used in context. 1. After looking at the proofs, the author decided to touch up her manuscript before sending it to the publisher. 2. The artist spent hours touching up the details of his painting to ensure everything was perfect. 3. Before the guests arrived, she quickly touched up her makeup. Sometimes, learners get confused and use touch up in a broader sense than it is intended. Remember, touch up is about making small and subtle improvements. It's not used for major changes or complete overhauls. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, touch up. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really master its application. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy learning!